He has been on ground, making sure there's peaceful protest. He has resumed again with his men, and they are on ground again today. They have come to make sure that peaceful protest.
Yeah, situation on ground is that the protest has been called off in view of the president's speech. The organizers have decided to call it off. And the president has spoken, and they are looking forward to the president's meeting the demands they have represented before him.
Thank you very much.
So, in view of that, there will be no more gathering here or anywhere. Any of such gathering is unlawful and illegal, and if such gathering exists, we are going to apply the full weight of the law.
And is that why we still have the presence of the police here today?
Yes, because we came normally to do what we have been doing since the past 3 days. And since it has been called off, we will withdraw and keep skeletal presence of men here, so that they will not allow anybody to gather here or try to. Any gathering here from this moment is unlawful.